Today's consumers and web visitors are demanding more protection than ever from the prying eyes of hackers and intrusive data breaches. When they come to your site and don't see the HTTPS, they will probably leave, never to return. So how do you protect information and gain your visitors' trust? It's called an SSL Certificate, and what it does is encrypts the data between a server and a web browser. In the past, SSL was required for sites accepting credit cards and other financial information. But now, without the HTTPS, Google Chrome alerts visitors that any information they give, including name and email, is not secure. In fact, if you have not checked your website to see if it has the HTTPS in the URL, you could already be at great risk. What's worse is that your search rankings can be affected, slowing your traffic altogether. In early 2017, Google began flagging sites without SSL, the international sign of website security, and they intend to get tougher in 2018. If your URL does not begin with HTTPS, you will feel the penalties, no doubt, because web security is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. And let's face it, you've worked hard to build your business. Why risk losing it in lost traffic and revenues because you passed up on the opportunity to secure your site today? Before you know it, without SSL protection, your business could be headed into an irreversible downward spiral. Take control right now, and to prevent that from happening, your site needs an SSL certificate fix, and you need to fix it fast. Don't put your business or your visitors' security at risk any longer. Send the hackers and prying eyes packing, and let us fix your site today before it's too late.
Okay, so now you know the importance of security, so make sure to secure your website today.